Okay, my dear children. Good day. How are you all? Okay, doing good? Yes. Now we'll move to our chapter. Before that, close your eyes, sit straight, join your hands, and pray for 2 seconds. Yes. Now open your eyes. Look into your textbook, page number 60. Shall we continue? Okay. What was our chapter's name? The different kind of school. Yes. Oh, yes, she said. Let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things. I shall be so glad when today is over. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. Having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome because you can't eat without help and things like that. I don't think I'll mind being deaf for a day, at least not much. But being blind is so frightening. My head aches all the time just from worrying that I'll get hurt. Where are we now? In the playground, I said. We're walking towards the house. Miss Beam is walking up and down the garden with a tall girl. What is the girl wearing? My little friend asked. A blue cotton skirt with a pink blouse. Oh, I think it's Millie, she said. What color is her hair? Very light, I said. Yes, that's Millie. She's the head girl. There's an old man tying up roses, I said. Yes, that's Peter. He is the gardener. He's hundreds of years old. And here comes a girl with curly red hair. She is on crutches. That's Anita, she said. And so we walked on. Gradually, I discovered that I was 10 times more thoughtful than I ever thought I could be. I could realize that if I had to describe people and things to someone else, it made them more interesting to me. When I finally had to leave, I told Miss Beam that I was very sorry to go. Ah, she replied, then there is something in my system after all. So here, the child was able to recognize everyone through descriptions. So, all these children are given opportunities. It's more than opportunities, it's like they can feel the difficulty of each disability. Okay? And it's a practical class too. So, this is written by E.V. Lucas. He is the author of this little literature. Now we are moving to our activity section, that is working with text. Put these sentences from the story in the right order and write them out in a paragraph. Don't refer to the text. So now always we used to say to refer text and do your work. Now for this particular activity, before you do this activity, read your textbook once. And then, while doing it, you are not supposed to look into your textbook. That is, don't refer to your lesson. Okay? So, that is a homework for you. Put it in correct order and write it into your notebook. Then, answer the following questions. Here you are having 4 questions. Your first one is, why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? Why was it? Why do you think he visited Miss Beam's school? Yes, because he heard that it's a different kind of school. Okay, he heard that it's a different kind of school. The syllabus is totally different from other schools. So he wanted to know what is it about. That's why he visited Miss Beam's school. He had heard a lot about this school. So this answer, look into your textbook and write it in your own words to your notebook. Your second question is, what was a game that every child in the school had to play? What was the game? Children had to tie their eyes one day, then be deaf one day, then what else? They have to tie their legs as if they got a crutch, and so on. So, while reading your textbook, you will get answer for this. That is from paragraph 9. From that, take the answer, read it once again and write it into your notebook. After that, your third one is, each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, then complete the line. Which day was the hardest and why was it hardest? To get the answers, refer to your textbook, paragraph 9, 11 and 15. From that, you can put together the answers, write it into your notebook. Now the fourth one is, what was the purpose of these special days? Okay, in this lesson we are telling these special days had some purpose. Now what is it and why is it so special? You have to find it out from paragraph 5 and 9. Okay, means you have to read your textbook thoroughly. Okay, yes, so that work has to be completed. These are easy. Answers are given in your textbook itself. So it's easy for you to find it and complete it as soon as possible.